Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have another question in which we have to find out the domain and the range of y is equal to minus x square, and we also have to draw the graph. So domain of the function is set of all values for which function is defined. So here we have y is equal to minus x square. So this is minus x square. That is very important that we have to keep in mind. So we will put values for x and then we will see whether y turns out to be defined or not. So our function is y is equal to minus x square. So we will write x and y, and when we will put x minus 5 we will get y minus 25, and when x is minus 2 y will be minus 4, and when x is 0 y will be 0. Similarly, when x is 3 y will be minus 9, and so on. So here we see that there is no domain restriction, so it will cover all real numbers. Now since y is equal to minus x square is defined for all real x, therefore domain will be complete set of real numbers, that is df is equal to minus infinity to infinity. Now for range, we know that the range of the function is defined as the set of value of y for given value of x. That means what output we are getting while putting the value of x. Since the term x here is squared for all the integer value of x, so y is equal to minus x square is always less than or equal to 0 for every value of x. Therefore, the range of the function is the set of all negative numbers. So R will be, range of function will be minus infinity to 0. Here 0 is included, so here we will use close bracket. Now for the graph, we will use the following values which we already have calculated. So using these values, we can draw the graph easily. So this is the graph for y is equal to minus x square. So hope you understood all these steps. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.